everyone, this is Anuradha. I'm from HRE International School. Today is International Plastic Bag Free Day. As you know that plastic is one of the commonly used thing today. But I'm against the use of plastic bag because it takes at least 400 years to break down and it is a non-biodegradable substance. Jute bag is a natural and strong fiber and it is a biodegradable substance. So I want a one favor from your side. Take a pledge with me and say yes jute bag and say no plastic bag. Thank you.
प्लास्टिक है मेरा नाम जहर फैलाना मेरा काम मैं हूँ जानलेवा पूरे भविष्य का कर दूंगा अंधकार क्योंकि प्लास्टिक है मेरा नाम।
कपड़े और जूट बैग को अपनाना है, प्लास्टिक को हटाना है। कपड़े और जूट बैग को अपनाना है, प्लास्टिक को हटाना।
Plastic can cause many severe diseases like blood cancer and brain hemorrhage.
Aquatic animals are also affected by plastic. They eat plastic and die.
We are being choked to death by the amount of plastic we throw away. It is killing our oceans. So, create a revolution. Goodbye plastic pollution.
Hello everyone. I am Ridula from HRE International School. Today is International Plastic Bag Free Day and I want to share my views on it. Plastic bags have become a necessity in our lives. Plastic bags are non-biodegradable and take hundreds of years to decompose in the soil. These bags have become a big problem to all life forms on the planet. Plastic bags create land pollution also. Plastic bags have been banned in many countries including India. So, we should cultivate eco-friendly habits and say don't use plastic bags. Thank you.
I am Sonia from HRE International School. Today is International Plastic Bag Free Day. Plastic bags should be banned completely because it is threat to the environment. Plastic bags are thrown, used after use, prove that it is harmful for the environment. It pollutes the soil and the vegetative growth of it. So say no to plastic bag and save our earth. Thank you.
एक ही संकल्प हमारा प्लास्टिक हटाना लक्ष्य हमारा।
Good morning everyone. Today on 3rd July 2021 we are celebrating International Plastic Bag Free Day. In 1965 the first time this plastic bag was introduced and I know now in these days it's an important part of our life, starting from a single pen to the poly bags which we are using to carry the material. We are dependent on it. But now why we are celebrating this day? Because it's a global initiative to realize that time has come. Now we should say no to this single use of plastic bags. We should replace it with jute bag or paper bag or cloth bag. Number of options we are having. So once we will start at our own level, then only we can bring the change in the nation or at the international level. So as a principal at HRE International School, I request, it's my humble request to all the parents and students to join this campaign and say no to plastic bags. Instead of that, use other options which are easily available in your family. Instead of plastic tiffins and plastic water bottles, kindly use steel tiffins and steel water bottles because it has disturbed our ecosystem a lot. It has disturbed our earth systems. So if we really want to bring some change and we really want to bring our earth breathe, so we should contribute by saying no to plastic bags. I hope you will join this campaign and contribute in it. Thank you and have a good day.
I pledge to avoid single use of plastic, to reuse or recycle the plastic that I will use to educate others about
plastic waste